Coming to you live from Alabama, where it normally don't hail, but it did. And when it rains, it pours. Kind of like Florida, but not near as bad. Anyway, rain, an extreme amount of rain, a little bit of a flash rain, causes a whole lot of water in my yard, which makes me want to get the side-by-side out and play in it. Let's go play in the rain. Of course, I can't see. Alright, well that's gonna do it. I'm gonna get out of the rain before I catch a cold. Hope you all enjoyed me goofing off on the Am HD10 Defender. Anyway, I hope you all enjoying life as much as you can when you can, because you know that's all we got. Alright, we'll talk at y'all in the next video. Bye for now.